Yeah, like silver scrapes in May. And now the sand's become a crust, and most of you have gone away. Yeah, gone away. Ah, come Susie dear, let's take a walk just out there upon the beach. I know you'll soon be married, and you want to know where winds come from. Well, it's never said at all on the map that Carrie reads. Behind the clock back there, you know that the four winds bar. Clock strikes 12 and moondrops burst out at you from the hiding place. Miss Carinus and Susie Deal would find themselves at Four Winds Bar. It's a nexus of the crisis and the origin of storms. Just a place to hopelessly count to time. And then came me.